feeling I get inside, like, you have to go back. You need help. Just do this. And it doesn't have to be anything major, you know? Like, it can be the smallest things that'll make someone's day. And it's just a feeling, honestly. I don't know what it is. It's just a feeling. And I'm like, I have to do this.
I think Ryan deserves the recognition for the award because she is very selfless, and she does it because she doesn't want the fame. She just wants everybody to be as blessed as she has been for these past years.
Ryan is just amazing. I mean, I know personally first, like when I bought my house and anything that I go through in my life, like she's always there donating her money and time and support, listening ear, shoulder to cry on, like whatever you need, like Ryan is always there. And I appreciate her so much. And for the community, I don't know an event that we had here in Salem that she wasn't a part of.
Diamonds in the Rough Collaboration is a nonprofit organization in which we do fundraisers so that we can give scholarships to our graduating high school students in Salem County. So when we have different things in the community that we have the children involved, we always ask Ryan if she'd like to donate some pizza or sodas or whatever to, you know, feeding the kids, because you have to feed the kids. So she never says no, she never hesitates. It's always a yes, yes, yes. And for that, we appreciate her.
Winning this award to me is very important, and it's great because the branch itself has never got an award in Salem County history. This is the first award. The Pedersen-Campbell Award is the very first award the branch has ever gotten. We've always gave scholarships out and awards to other people in the county, but this is the first.
Nelson has taken on the leadership role of NAACP very seriously. He's very active, and he's very willing to assist anyone who needs their backing.
They're very strong on voter registration. They go out to, different jobs and stuff, and they get complaints about, works, having people having problems at work and being treated unfairly.
We've had a few instances over the past few years of unfair labor practices and unfair employment practices. And I've seen Nelson personally take those things on and address them with companies and corporations around Salem County.
The legacy I would like to leave behind is to never let the NAACP die, because, like I said, older members are leaving, passing on, and today's generation just doesn't understand how many people died for their voting rights and stuff like that. Another legacy I would like to leave on is for our young folks to continue the work that we've started and continue to do better, bigger and better things.